Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to use Midsegment theorem. Alright, let's review Midsegment theorem. We're going to construct a triangle right here. We can give it the same name. We call it ABC. I'm going to find the midpoint of segment AB. I call it D. I'm going to find midpoint of segment AC. I call it E. Once I find a midpoint, I'm going to use a tick mark to label AD and DB gonna have the same length. AE and EC gonna have the same length. Now I have two midpoints. I'm gonna connect it. Remember, you connected 2 points, you have a line segment. Okay? Alright. Now, that's the definition what is midsegment. Let us look at the relationship. If you are this midsegment DE, I think we're having a mini earthquake right now. If you hear the noise and everything is shaking, I'm just going to continue recording. Alright, so the relationship is DE. Segment DE is parallel to segment BC. Okay, the shaking and noise is all gone. Praise the Lord. Everything is quiet now. Okay. I don't know what's happening, so let's keep going, keep rolling. All right. And the other one is that lengthwise, DE is half as long as BC. Okay? Let's continue right. What if I'm finding another midpoint on side BC? I'm going to connect it and label it 3, 3. So this time, A, B, C, D, E, F, I'm going to call F, okay? And BF and CF going to have same length. Now, let's write another relationship. Remember, one is parallel, one is half, okay? This time, segment EF is parallel to segment AB. Segment EF is half as long as segment AB. Let's write down for DF. DF parallel to AC, and the segment parallel to each other, okay? And then lengthwise, DF is half as long as AC. Now let's go back to this half. If it's a half, can we say AB is double the length of EF? Okay? Alright, so continue, finish the whole statement and add it to your notebook or your binder. Alright, I'm gonna erase this part, this beautiful diagram. Alright, let's calculate this. Super simple. If this segment DE is a midsegment of triangle ABC and it's 7, what is X? Did you immediately say, that's 14? Good work, because 7 is half of a number. What's this number? That number is 14. Or you can say X doubles the size of 7, that's 14. Okay, either way works well. Alright, let me change this question. This time I'm going to put X here. I'm going to say AD is 9, and this is X. Can you tell me what is X? Alright, did you say, I know this 2 had the same length, this 2 had the same length. So if this is 9, X is also 9. Good work, good work. Alright. I'm gonna erase this. Actually, I want to keep these tick marks here. 1, 1, and 2, 2. Okay, let's say this time I'm gonna give you BC. BC is 34. Can you give me what is the length of DE? Did you say I'm going to use, 34 divided by 2? That's 17. Alright, so simple, all makes sense, right? Let's make a little bit more interesting. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, I'm gonna have this question for you. This time I'm gonna give you DE. DE is, let's say DE is 4x plus 5, okay? And I'm gonna give you BC. BC is 3x plus 25. Okay, can you find what is x? All right, pause this video, give it a try. Okay, now you can set in two different ways. I can set, there's a relationship. The relationship is 2 times the length of DE is the length of BC. And then I'm going to substitute. I'm going to say 2 times 4x plus 5 equals BC. BC is 3x plus 25. Then I'm going to distribute 2 times 4x, 8x, and plus 10, and 3x, and 25, minus 3x each side, and minus 10 each side, and these two are gone, these two are gone. I'm running out of space. I just write down here, 5x is 15, x is 3. I'm going to put my solution in the green long bubble. We are done here. That's our first practice. Come back, see me again. Happy learning.